Hello everyone, welcome to the next lecture on mathematics. Today we will learn addition. So one more. So here if you see, here this is a picture of two parrots which is given here. So let's read what is written. One little parrot singing I love you, one more joins in, making them two. So it says one little parrot. So at first there was just one little parrot, this one, singing I love you. So this parrot was singing I love you. One more joins in, making them two. So one more parrot comes after some time, and the total number of parrots now is 2. 1 plus 1, 2. Next, two little parrots resting on a tree. One more joins in, making them 3. So first two little parrots were there, and those two little parrots were resting on a tree. One more parrot comes in. Now the total number of parrots is 1, 2, 3. So first there were two parrots that was resting on a tree. One more joins in, making them 3. One more parrot comes, and then the total number of parrots is 1, 2, 3. Next, three little parrots looking for more. One more joins in, making them 4. So at first there were 3 parrots, 1, 2, 3. One more parrot joins in. So the total number of parrots now is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little parrots wanting to dive, one more joins in, making them 5. So first there were 1, 2, 3, 4 parrots wanting to dive. So at first there were 4 parrots wanting to dive. One more joins in, making them 5. Now after some time one more parrot comes. So now the total number of parrots are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 little parrots wanting to dive, one more joins in, making them 5. So now as we have seen the counting, now let us try to solve these questions. How many altogether? So here it is written 2 cows and 1 cow is equal to 3 cows. See here, in this picture there are 2 cows, 1, 2 and 1 cow. Here there is one more cow. So now total number of cows are, 1, 2, 3. So here see all these 3 cows. Next, 3 children and 2 children is equal to 5 children. So at first there were 1, 2, 3 children. Now we added 2 more children. So now 1, 2. So what is the total number of children? We can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 children and 2 children is equal to 5 children, as we can see here. So now we have to solve this question. So in this question it is saying how many number of flowers are here, and then we are adding some more flowers. So what is the final total number of flowers that we get? So if we can see here, if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at first there were 5 flowers. So we will write 5 here. And then we add 2 more flowers here. So we have 2 more flowers, 1, 2. So we have 2 more flowers here. And now what is the total number of flowers? We will count here. The total number of flowers is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the total number of flowers here is 7. Okay. Now next is, these are number of birds, and here also few birds are given, and we have to find the total number of birds. So at first there were some birds, we have to count how many of them. Then we have few more birds which came and joined them. So now what is the total number of birds that we have? So at first we will see how many birds we had. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So at first we had 4 birds. then how many birds came and joined these birds? So we will count here 1 2, so 2 birds came and joined these 4 birds. So 2 birds came and joined them. So what is the total number of birds? Now all the birds are sitting on the same tree. So what is the total number of birds if 4 birds are there and 2 more birds come in? So then the total number of birds are, let's count, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So now the total number of birds are 6 birds. So in this question it is asking how many altogether. So at first we can see it is we will count number of shirts here and number of shirts here, then the total number of shirts here, what is it, we will see. So we can see here 6 shirts, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 shirts, then 2 more shirts come in, 1 2. So the total number of shirts are, let's count, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So at first there was 1 2 3 4 5 6 shirts, then 2 more shirts came in, 1 2. So the total number of shirts that we get is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 shirts. Now let us solve this question. Here first we have to count total number of tomatoes. We are adding some tomatoes, and then what is the total number of tomatoes we have. So first we will count the total number of tomatoes here. So first is 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3 4 5. So first we had 5 tomatoes, and then how many tomatoes come and join these 5 tomatoes? No tomato means 0 tomato. So first we had 5 tomatoes, then 0 tomatoes came and joined them. So what is the total number of tomatoes we have? Let's count, 1 2 3 4 5. So we can see that we have 5 tomatoes total. Why? Because here we did not add any tomato. This is 0 tomatoes, so no tomato here. So earlier what was the total number of tomatoes? Finally also we get total number of tomatoes here. Let's solve the next question. Now here there are some ants, and here few more ants come and join them. So what is the total number of ants we get? So what they are saying is, here there are few ants, we have to count the total number of ants, then few more ants come and join these ants. So what is the total number of ants finally that we get? That we need to find out. So first is we count this. So 1 2 3 4. So at first we had 4 ants. Okay, and then how many ants come and join these ants? So those are 1 2. So 2 ants. So what is the total number of ants we have? Let's count here. Total number of ants are 1 2 3 4 5 6. So finally what we get is 6 ants. So 4 ants plus 2 ants is equal to 6 ants. In this question there are some books here, and then we are adding again some books here. So what is the total number of books that we get? So if we see here, at first we had, if we count 1 2, so 2 books at first we had, then we are adding 0 books. So what is the total number of books we will have? Okay, so the total number of books we will have is 2 again. If we count this, it is 1 2, which is 2. So at first here, let's solve this. At first we had 2 books, and then we add some more books to these books. And how many books we are adding? 0 books. So the total number of books we are getting here is 2 plus 0, which is equal to 2. Okay, now the next question, let's see. It is saying how many altogether. So we have to count the total number of flowers, and finally how many flowers we get. For example, in this picture, if we see here first there are 1 2 3 4. So here at first there are 1 2 3 4. There are 4 flowers. So here at first there are 4 flowers, then we are adding few more flowers. How many flowers we are adding? 1, 2, 3. So then we are adding 3 more flowers. So what is the total number of flowers that we are getting here? The total number of flowers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So finally we are getting 7 flowers. So at first there were 4 flowers and we are adding 3 more flowers with that. So the final answer what we are getting is 7. So let's try to solve this question. Here there are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 objects and then we are adding few more objects. So what is the total number of objects we have? So let's count. So at first here if we count how many objects were there, 1, 2, 3, 4. So at first there was 4 objects. So at first there were 4 objects. So here we write 4. Next few more objects are being added to them. How many are being added? Let's count here. 1, 2. So we are adding 2 more objects. So finally what the answer is, if we add 2 more objects to 4 objects, what we get is, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we get 6 objects. So if we add 4 objects with 2 objects, we will get 6 objects. Okay, now let's try to solve this question. Here if we see, okay, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 balls. Suppose this he is Raju. So if Raju, let us suppose that this boy is Raju. So this Raju, he has 1, 2, 3, 4 balls. Okay, and Raju's friend Amit, he gives him 1, 2, 3, 4 more balls. So how many total number of balls Raju has? Let us see. So first let us count the total number of balls Raju had. So at first Raju had how many balls? So we will count 1, 2, 3, 4. So at first Raju had 4 balls. Then Raju's friend Amit came to him and gave him few more balls. How many balls Amit gave to Raju? That is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 more balls. Now what is the total number of balls Raju has? Let us count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So Raju finally has 8 balls. So in this question we have to add. So let us try to add this one. So here it is saying we are given, this is a dice with 2 on it and this is a face of a dice with 3 on it. So if we add, then what is the number we are getting? So here we can see that at first there was 1, 2 plus 1, 2, 3. So what is the total number of dice? 1, 2 plus 1, 2, 3, which is 5. So here the answer is 5. Okay, similarly we can do it like this also. Here let us see, at first there were 1, 2. So the first there were 1, 2, there was 2 dice, and now we are adding 1, 2, 3 dice. So what is the total number of dice? The total number of dice that it will be there is, we have to count all the dice now, that is in this picture. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the total number of dice is 5. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Now we have to solve few more questions. Now this question is 4 plus 2 is equal to how much? So in order to solve this question, so 4 plus 2 is equal to, please try to solve this question. So 4 plus 2 is equal to how much? So let us try to do this question using, so let us see. Now suppose this is a ball. So at first there was 1, 2, 3, 4. So at first there was 4 balls. Okay, and now what it is doing is 2 more balls are coming and adding it to it. So now plus 2 more balls, which is this. So what is the total number of balls here? So the total number of balls here, if we count the total number of balls is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So total number of balls we get here is 6. So here the answer is 6. Let us see this question again. This is the same question, 4 plus 2. We have to add 4 with 2. So to add this one, what we will do is, first we will take 4 balls. So 1 2 3 4 balls, and then we will add 2 balls here. So 1 2. So what is the total number of balls we are getting here? If you see, what is the total number of balls here? So the total number of balls, if we count here, is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So the total number of balls we get is 6. So the answer here is 6. Let us see the next question. 5 plus 1 is equal to how much? So 5 plus 1. So first we will take 5 balls and then we will add one more ball to it. So how many balls are there in total? So first we will take 5 balls. So 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and then we will add one more ball. So how many total number of balls we get? So the total number of balls here is 1 2 3 4 5, and one more ball is there, so we have to add that. So we will count now. So what we will do is, here we will count everything in total. So everything, if we count in total, how many we will get? Let us see. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we get 6 balls. So the answer to this question is 6. Similarly, this question, 5 plus 1, just now we saw the answer is 6. Let us see the next question. 3 plus 6 is equal to, so first there are 3 balls, then 6 more balls we are adding. So what is the total number of balls we get? So at first there are 3 balls, then we are adding 6 more balls. So then we are adding 6 more balls here. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So what is the total number of balls we are getting? So let us count everything in total. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So the final answer that we are getting is 9. So the answer to this question is 9. Okay, so here 3 plus 6, just now we found 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. So here it will be 9. Let us see the next question. 7 plus 0 is equal to how much? So at first there are 7 balls. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now we are adding plus 0 balls. So 0 balls means how many balls? 0 balls means no ball. Means there is nothing. There is no ball there. So how many total number of balls finally we get? We will count this entire thing in total. So how many total number of balls are here? Let us count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 plus 0. So how many total balls are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 balls. So the final answer here is 7. So finally we get 7 balls. So 7 plus 0 is equal to 7 balls. So similarly here also 7 plus 0, just now we found that it is equal to 7 balls. Now 0 plus 9, so at first there are 0 balls. Okay, so 0 ball means there is no ball. Now 0 plus 9, so plus 9 balls. So let us add 9 balls to 0 balls. So at first there are 0 ball, means we will draw nothing. Then there are 9 balls, so let's add 9 balls there. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So the final answer that we will get here is 0 plus 9. So let us count the total number of balls that we have got here. So if we count the total number of balls here is, that is, here there is nothing. So total number of balls is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 8, 9. So the final answer that we get here is 9. So here the answer to this question is 9. 0 plus 9 is equal to 9. This is what we just calculated. Okay, so now let us see here. So if we see here, if we count the number of balloons, so now this is a boy and this is a girl, and the boy has some balloons and girl also has some balloons. So now the girl is giving all her balloons to this boy. So the boy had few balloons, so this girl is giving all the balloons to the boy. So what is the total number of balloons the boy has now? So let us see. The boy initially had 1, 2, 3. So the boy in the starting he had 3 balloons, and the girl in the starting she had 1, 2 balloons. Now the girl gave all her balloons to the boy. So the boy finally has how many balloons? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the boy finally has 5 balloons with him. Now let us see this question. Now here the boy has 1, 2, 3 balloons, and the girl has how many balloons? 0 balloons. No balloons are there. We cannot see any balloons. So 0 balloons. So now the boy had 1, 2, 3 balloons earlier, and the girl had 0 balloons. So the total number of balloons boy has is how much? The total number of balloons boy has is 1, 2, 3 balloons. Girl did not give him any balloon. Girl, or we can say girl gave him 0 balloons. So 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. So in this question, the boy has how many balloons? 0 balloons. And the girl has how many balloons? 1, 2 balloons. So now the girl has 2 balloons, and the girl gives all the balloons whatever she had to the boy. So finally the boy has how many number of balloons? So 0 balloons the boy had. Girl gave him 2 balloons. So finally the boy has 1, 2. So finally the boy has how many balloons? He has 2 balloons. Let us see the next question. In this question, the boy has how many balloons? If we see the boy, let us count 1, 2, 3, 4. So at the starting the boy has 4 balloons, and the girl has how many balloons? If you see, the girl has 0 balloons. So the boy had 4 balloons and the girl had 0 balloons. Then the girl gave all her balloons to the boy. So finally, how many balloons did the girl give to the boy? 0 balloons. So if the girl gave 0 balloons, how many total number of balloons the boy has? Let us count and see. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So the boy had 4 balloons. The girl gave 0 balloons to the boy. So finally the boy has 4 balloons. Means he has the total number of balloons what he had earlier. So the girl did not give him anything. So what the boy has is total number of balloons that he had earlier. So now in this question, let us see, the boy has how many balloons? Please tell me. So let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the boy had 5 balloons and the girl gave him few balloons. So how many balloons did the girl give him? The girl gave him 0 balloons. So how many balloons the boy has now in total? Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the boy now has total 5 balloons. Now here in this question, the boy has some balloons and the girl has some balloons, and the girl gives all the balloons to the boy. So let us see how many balloons the boy had. Let us count. So at first the boy had 1, 2, 3. So 3 balloons, and the girl had 1, 2, 3, 4 balloons. So the boy at first had 3 balloons, 1, 2, 3, and the girl in the beginning had 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 balloons. So now the girl gives all her balloons to the boy. So if the girl gave all her balloons to the boy, then the boy, how many balloons the boy has? So let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the boy has now total 7 balloons. So the answer for this question is 7. Let us see the next question. So in the next question we have to add the total number of grapes that is here with the total number of grapes that is here and write down the total number of grapes that we get. So if we see here 1, 2, 3, we had 3 grapes, and now we add 1, 2, 3, 4. So we add 4 more grapes. So what is the total number of grapes we have? So at first we had 1 in this picture. If we count 1, 2, 3, so at first we had 3 grapes, and then we added few more grapes. How many grapes we added? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we added 4 more grapes. So how many total number of grapes we have now? So in order to find out the total number of grapes we have to calculate all the grapes that are there in this picture. So let us count the total number of grapes now. If we add 3 and 4, so we get is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the total number of grapes we get is 7. Okay, let us try to solve this question. So here there are few apples and we are adding few more apples to them. So what is the total number of apples we get? So how many apples are there here initially? Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4. So at first we had 4 apples. So at first we had 4 apples here. Then we are adding few more apples. How many apples we are adding? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we add 4 more apples. So what is the total number of apples we have now? So the total number of, to find the total number of apples, we have to count all these apples together. So let us see how many apples we have in total. So let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in total we have 8 apples. So please tell me how, now in this question there are few lemons. Now please tell me how many lemons are there initially here. Then we are adding few more lemons. Then what is the total number of lemons here? So if we count total number of lemons that were there initially, that is 1. So if we see here, what is the total number of lemons that was there? So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there were 5 lemons earlier. So 5 lemons. Now we are adding few more lemons. How many lemons we are adding? So let us count 1, 2. So we are adding 2 more lemons. So what is the total number of lemons we get? For that we have to count all the lemons that are there finally. So let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the total number of lemons we get is 7. Let us see the next question. So in this question there are few guavas. So how many guavas are there in first? Then we are adding a few more guavas. So what is the total number of guavas that we get? So at first we will count the total number of guavas we had. So if we count at first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So at first we had 6 guavas. Then we add few more guavas to these 6 guavas. So how many guavas we add to these 6 guavas? How many guavas we add? Let us count 1, 2, 3. So we add 3 more guavas. So what is the total number of guavas that is left? Let us count in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total number of guavas we have is 9. So let us solve a few more questions here that is given in this chapter. So at first it is saying 2 plus 7 is equal to. So we have first we have 2 and then we have to add 7, and what is the total number that we get? We have to write here. So what is 2 plus 7 equal to? So in order to solve this we will use the balls. We will use the balls method. So what we will do is here first it is saying we have 2. So first we will do is we will draw 2 balls. So draw 2 balls first. So first it is we are drawing 2 balls. So 2 now plus 7. So 2 plus 7. So 7 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now what is the total number of balls that we get? Let us count this entire thing in total. So the total number of balls that we get is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the final answer is 9. So here the answer we get is 9. Okay, next if we see here, it is saying 1 plus 3. So now 1 plus 3 is equal to how much? So to solve this, first what we will do is, first we will draw one ball, then plus how many balls? Here it is written 3. So we will draw 3 more balls. 1, 2, 3. So what is the total number of balls we get? To find that, we will count all the balls together. So what? Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4. So we get 4 balls. So the answer here is 4. Next is 3 plus 5 is equal to. So at first we have how many balls? 3 balls. So we will draw 3 balls. 1, 2, 3. Plus next it is saying we have 5. We have to add 5. So we will draw 5 more balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the total number of balls we get? Let us, to find that, we'll count all the balls together. So if we count all the balls together, let us see how much we get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So finally what we get here is 8. So answer to this question is 8. Next is 4 plus 1 is equal to. So at first we have 4 balls and then we add 1. So here first what we will do, we will draw 4 balls. So let us draw 4 balls first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now plus how many balls we have to add? 1. So we will draw 1 more ball. So now what is the total number of balls we have? To find that, we will count all the balls together. So if we count, let us count all the balls together. So how many we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total number of balls here is 5. Next is 4 plus 0. So at first we have to draw 4 balls here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 plus how many balls we have to add now, or we have to draw? We have to draw 0 balls. 0 ball means we don't have to draw anything. Okay, so we don't have to draw anything, 0 balls. So what is the total number of balls here? In order to find the total number of balls, we have to count all the balls that is present here together. So let us count the total number of balls that is present here together. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. And here there are 0 balls. So total is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer to this question is 4. So here the answer that we get is 4. Next is 0 plus 2. So at first we have 0 balls. So how many balls we will draw? 0 balls means no ball. We will not draw any ball. Next plus 2. So how many balls we will draw now? 2 balls. So 1, 2. So how many balls we get finally? To calculate, we have to count all the balls together. Let us count everything together. So total number of balls we get is 1, 2. So final answer we get is 2. So the final answer we get here is 2. Next is 2 plus 2 is equal to how much? So at first we will draw 2 balls. 1, 2. Now plus how many balls we have to add with this? Here we can see 2 balls. So we will draw 2 more balls. 1, 2 is equal to how many balls we get? To find that, we will count all the number of balls here. We will count all these balls together. So let us count all the balls together and let's see how many we get. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in total we got 4 balls. So the answer here we got is 4. So the answer to this question is 4. Here it is written 3 plus 4. So at first we will draw 3 balls. 1, 2, 3. Then plus we have 4 more balls. So we will draw 4 more balls here. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the total number of balls we got? Let us count everything together. So if we count everything together, the total number of balls that we got here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the total number of balls we got here is 7. So the answer to this one is 7. Let us try to solve a few more questions. Here it is written 3 plus 6. So first it is here 3 and then we are adding 6 more to it. So what is the total number that we get? So at first there was 3. So we have first 1, 2, 3. So let us use a different technique now. Okay, instead of balls, let us use sticks. Okay, so instead of balls let us use 6. So at first we have 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 sticks. So 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 sticks. Now what we'll do is we are adding how many more sticks? So we are adding 6 more sticks here. So what we will do is we will draw 6 more sticks. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So at first there was 3 sticks, then plus we added 6 more sticks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the total answer to this question? To find that, we will count the total number of sticks here. So kids, you can either follow the balls approach or the sticks approach, whichever you find suitable. Both are correct. So now to find the total answer, we have to count all the sticks together. So what is the total number of sticks together? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we got 9 sticks. So the total answer here is 9. Okay, now here it is 5 plus 2. So 5 plus 2. So let us see. So at first there are 5 sticks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it is saying 5 sticks are there and we have to add 2 more sticks. So plus we have to add 2 more sticks. So let us add 2 more sticks now. 1, 2. So what is the total number of sticks we get? Let us count. To find that, we will count everything together. So let us count everything together and let's see how many we get. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the final answer we get here is 7. So there are total 7 sticks. So here it is written 3 plus 3. So now at first there are 3 sticks and we are adding 3 more sticks. So let us see. First we'll draw 3 sticks. So 1, 2, 3, and now it is written we have to add 3 more sticks. Okay, so let us draw 3 more sticks. So 1, 2, 3. So what is the total number of sticks that we have now? So the total number of sticks, if we count it, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the total number of sticks here we got is 6. Let us see this question now. 6 plus 3. What is 6 plus 3? So to find out 6 plus 3, what we will do is we will again use the sticks method. So first we have 6. So we have 6 sticks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have 6 sticks. Now we will add 3 more sticks to this. So let's add 3 sticks. So 1, 2, 3. So what is the total number of sticks we get? We will count the total number of sticks now. So let us count all these sticks together. So let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the final answer that we get in this case is 9. Okay friend, so these are some of the questions that are there. Now there are few more questions left and I request you all to solve all those questions on your own and try to get them checked by your parents or your teachers. Okay, so I hope you all understood addition and next we will learn subtraction. Okay, so thank you all for watching.